Say what's up, YouTube. Hi. Say hi to the interwebs, Jason. What is up, YouTube? Chris back at it again with another vlog. Hi, Harley.
Hi, Harley.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog, Jason. So today is Wednesday, my dudes, and you know what time it is. I'm actually just gonna be vlogging today. I don't know exactly what we're doing, but we're going to the aquarium right now. It's gonna be a family day. I don't have really too much car content coming soon, so if you guys are not into, you know, regular daily life vlogging, please just go watch one of my other videos. I am gonna be pushing out car content soon. I have some pretty cool stuff coming. Gonna be going to Desert Fest, hopefully, right? Yeah. Desert Fest, maybe All Out Call Out. My son, taking him to go see the races. All Out Call Out is basically a bracket race, and Desert Fest is the day after. It's basically one of the biggest car shows in New Mexico. If you guys go check out my other video that I posted last year of New Mexico Desert Fest, that's probably one of the biggest turnouts they've had, especially since they had it at UNM parking lot. But today we're just gonna go, you know, go around town and see what we get into. Going to the aquarium right now, and we're gonna be going and checking that out with my family. We got Jason, and this is Harley. I don't know how wide this view is because it's kind of hard to see.
Elias.
Oh, and Elias. Yeah, he's asleep back there. Sorry. Thank you for correcting me, Jason. I appreciate that. Jeez, dude. Jason wants me to talk to the camera, so I'm talking to the camera. You know, there's actually people out there, Jason, that watch this. We're actually in the TSX today. I don't know why I like to do that with my hand. John Cena can't see me. Anyway, I don't know. I like to do that with hand gestures. I like to talk with my hands. We're actually in the TSX. And my son's making me laugh because he's making fun of me. One of my favorite cars to ride in. It's like probably one of my favorite cars that I've ever owned, just because it's like one of the most high-end cars I've ever owned. I guess you could say it's like a premium car. This is basically a 2012 Honda Accord Type S in Europe, or Euro Accord. They call it Euro Accord Type S, but it's actually in America. It's Acura TSX Special Edition. Sorry, TSX Special Edition. It's a 6-speed manual. This is where Harley really fell in love with this car. This is her car, pretty much. Tubby. We call it Tubby because it's a little fat. It's a little big of a car. It's like, it has a big body considering how small the interior is. But one of the things I really like about this car is actually the black interior. It's pretty cool. And it gets dirty in here pretty quick because it's black. But one of the things I really like about it is the interior. And then also one of the things I like about it is it's a manual car. You don't really see too many sedans today with a manual, transmission. It's mostly automatic with like the paddle shifters or something like that. Unless you're getting like a WRX or an Evo, that's upgraded. This is basically like Acura's kind of sportier sedan, except it's not all-wheel drive. I wish it was all-wheel drive. Thought he was gonna say something. So enough of me talking about cars. You guys, it's really freaking hot outside, so we're like, what is it, like 99 degrees? We have all the windows up. I have the GoPro going, so you guys will see a time lapse. But enough of me talking. We'll see you guys at the aquarium. We failed as parents. We made it to the aquarium, but they close at 5 and it's 4:25, and they say that they close the aquarium like at 4:30, a little early. Kind of sucks. We're gonna try to take them real quick.
I think they just lock the doors at 4:30.
I think so too.
It's not short.
Look at the turtle, Jason. So the Albuquerque Aquarium is pretty legit.
But you can put or sand in there, huh?
This shell's cool.
That just look good. This one. See that fish?
Cool. Look how big that stingray is, Jason.
Huh?
Look how big that stingray is, look.
Look at that. This is so cool. Remember Andrew's a baby? I have long hair and he's a good dude. There's been a baby Dory. Look at that one. It's still funny. Look at that one right there. It's funny. I'm There's big Dory. There's big Dory. Look at that one right there. Look at that one.
Is that like a long nose?
Yeah, but it's like on top.
It's weird. Yeah.
Oh, there's little baby. Look at them light up.
And they light up, huh? Insert SpongeBob jellyfish meme now.
Look at this shirt. Look at
Oh, it's a big one, huh?
Where's the jellyfish? Look at this shirt.
See it. Look at that stingray, Jason. Look at that stingray.
Dang.
Oh, look at that shark coming this way. Look at his teeth. Look at his teeth.
See this one? This one, look.
Oh, yeah. Has like a barnacle on there or something, huh?
That one is nice, huh?
Is that what it is?
That one's nice. That one's nice right
Jason,
there.
there's a turtle over here.
Huh?
There's a turtle over here.
Oh, was he on the ground?
Yeah. Look, he's way over there in the part of the wall.
See him?
And that one?
Yeah.
That biggest one?
That him?
Yeah, right there, Mama?
Yeah.
Oh, I need that. We should go in here and save the ah! It's ice.
Whoa! Look at. Whoa! Whoa!
Kevin, you're home.
So we're done with the aquarium. This is a botanical gardens next to it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty nice scenery. They do a lot of photography over here. See how tall you are, Jason? Stand there behind you.
You're only 40 inches.
Cool.
I'm 40 inches now.
I think we're shrinking to 40 centimeters.
Oh no! Oh no! We got smaller. We gotten smaller. Whoa!
That's huge. That's your big head.
So we decided to come eat. We're eating at Matucci's Italian restaurant. Never tried this. Recommended by Gilo. You guys seen him on my channel before. We're gonna go eat, see what this place is all about. So dinner was pretty good. I had a shrimp scampi. Harley had. What did you have? I can't even say it. It was like true legit like Italian food. Kind of more on the expensive side. So if you don't know, I'm a ghetto boy. But no, I didn't really grow up going to those places. But they're like, it was like true legit Italian places or Italian, and it was really good. worth the money, but it was like a smaller portion than what I'm used to. Because like if you go to Olive Garden, you know, like you get a big portion for your money, because it's pretty much like a, what would you call it? Like this one's like more of a locally based, and they use like fresh ingredients from local farmers and such, so it's a little bit more on the expensive side. It's really good. Check out this Mercedes over here. I think those are Vossens. Nope, niche wheels. What is up, guys? Actually, today is gonna have some car content. So you guys might have noticed that I actually daily vlogging, just doing some stuff, but I actually came home. I'm gonna be PlastiDipping my headlights to give them some eyelids. I just want to see how it comes out. I have some white PlastiDip from, I don't know if you guys remember that video, but you guys probably didn't. I had my white Civic Si, and I actually PlastiDipped my wheels white on that car just to see how it would look, and I still have some extra PlastiDip left over, so I kind of want to see how this actually looks on my G35. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taping them off, cleaning up the headlights, taping them off, and then masking them off so I can PlastiDip around it and show you guys the eyelids, I guess you could say. I just want to see how it looks. I might keep them on, might take it off depending on how that looks, but if it looks pretty cool, I'm going to leave it on there for a while until I get real eyelids. Like I said, I'm a broke boy, so I don't really have too much money to spend on my car right now, and I want to see if I can get some, you know, budget looks for my car, you know, Ricer status kind of look. And I'm actually going to be putting on a VQ royalty sticker as well. I've had this sticker or this decal for a long time. It's pretty much, I want to put it on the front windshield. It's going to be right underneath or above the windshield wipers, and I'm going to put that there as well. So it's actually like 9 o'clock, 9:30 right now. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to actually tape off from this line right here, this hood line, all the way down and kind of like eyeball it to see like right here to right there. I'm using masking tape, and then I'm going to mask off the actual like hood area and like right here, just to give it some clearance so I don't overspray. If I do overspray, it'll be white on white, but then I can just wipe it off with the rag or something. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Let's see how this turns out. Alright, so I got one mask sided off, one side masked off. Just want to make sure you don't get anything in between there. Alright, so now it's time to start spraying the PlastiDip. So I got both of them masked off pretty good. Hopefully there's enough masking so it doesn't get everywhere. I'm just gonna start off with some light coats and then go on with like 2 or 3 coats after that. So like 1 light coat and then 2 to 3 coats depending on how thick you want it, and then you don't want to let it dry right away. You kind of want to let it sit for just a little bit, and then you want to take off the tape because you want it to be able to peel off. The tape, you want the tape to be able to peel off. So here goes nothing. So I don't know how I feel about it, but this driver's side the tape didn't really stick. I think that tape was a little old, so I think that's why. And then this side came out a lot better. I also think that it looks a little too white, but this side came out a lot better than this side. This side kind of came out crappy. See all those? It's like jagged. Plus it doesn't really match the car. It's kind of like really off-white. Really like pure white. You know, this is like a pearl. I just have to get some real eyelids. You know, like the plastic ones you buy. Well, they have carbon fiber ones too, but I don't know. I'll leave it on there for like a day. If I don't like it, I'll just take it off. I'm gonna be putting on the VQ royalty on the car right here. I'm just gonna clean this up. Actually, might not do that today. Might do that tomorrow morning. It's getting a little late. I'm gonna clean up. Let me know in the comment section below if you think that PlastiDip is ricer or not. It's actually got featured on their page a couple times. This is VQ royalty. I bought this sticker, actually, this decal. It's actually a whole banner. I got featured on their page, but last time it was kind of like I had to send them in their what'd you call it? Send them in the pictures. They didn't ask me to get featured, so I sent them in so I could get featured on their page. But here's the decal. Here's the, you guys can't really see it. I don't know if you guys can see the back of it. But it's gonna come out pretty dope. So I might have placed it a little off. It's coming off down to the side a little bit, down towards the driver's side, I feel like. But it looks okay. It doesn't look too noticeable. It also might be off center a little bit. That view Q with the crown on the side, it looks weird because the Q rolls into the R. And it's not really something that offsets it. It's kind of like it needs to sit down, I feel like. But it looks okay for right now. So that's it for today's video. Thanks you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please subscribe because you will be entered into the 100 subscriber giveaway. I'll be giving away like a little car wash kit. So please like and subscribe, and peace out.